In a cozy living room, a humidifier and an air purifier engage in playful banter. The humidifier boasts about its moisture-adding capabilities and being the go-to gadget for dry skin. The air purifier counters, highlighting its prowess in eliminating dust and allergens, ensuring the atmosphere is pollutant-free. They share entertaining anecdotes, like the humidifier saving a parched houseplant and the air purifier rescuing a sneezing cat. As they debate the importance of preserving furniture and promoting sleep, they acknowledge their roles in maintaining healthy air quality. The conversation ends with laughter, appreciating how their combined efforts create the ultimate indoor oasis.